I have a 22 horsepower Predator 670cc engine not getting any spark, so after troubleshooting it, changed diode and ignition switch, but not sure if it has a ground that goes to the diode or power going to the diode. Any help on complete wiring diagram of diode and components around it, and if the diode gets power to it or ground to it? Any wiring diagrams will surely help. Thanks.
Hello, thanks a lot for the question. I have attached to this answer the two available schematics. They may not be exactly the same as yours, but 99% similar to it. Thanks.
I'm still in need of knowledge of how the diode is hooked up. My question is, does the diode get power or ground?
I would need a pic of the diode and the PCB. Typically you will find the direction of the diode in the PCB.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.